actual fit in the small end of the wrist pin here. Should, most of the time, they're easy. They fall right in there. And check it for any movement, slight bit of movement on this one. I already measured this, and we are within specs. The pin measured 0.8662, 0.8661, which is correct for this pin. And that's measuring it like here, where there's no wear. Here in the center, where it actually rides in the bushing, had very, like 1/10,000th of an inch wear in the center there. And then this side was same as this one. So then you'd want to measure the actual wrist pin bushing itself. And I'm just using a T gauge here. You're going to measure it across the top end here in a couple of different spots, both sides pretty much. And then measure it this way here, up and down. Write all these down. Get 3 measurements if you can. And then you're just going to subtract whatever pin diameter you got minus whatever measurement you got for the bushing here. So the spec is service wear limit is 0.02 of an inch, whatever it is in metric, I don't know. But the service wear limit is 0.02 of an inch. I use inches because that's what all my measuring sticks are in. My micrometers and dial caliper and everything else is in inches, same as my dial bore gauge. So that's within a serviceable limit. Spec on it, I believe, on this bike is 4/10,000ths to 16/10,000ths. So we were just below 0.02 on the clearance here. We are at we're like 18, 19 10,000ths, which is 0.0019. That's out to the 4th place there. And like I said, on the pen here, we had 1/10,000th wear between this side, the middle, and this side. So these bushings are replaceable. I'm not replacing it because it is within service wear limits. Not really shaky there. Another thing too is sometimes you get them to where this should be a free floating pen here. Sometimes you get them to where the small end of the rod's